What if your constant bloating wasn't from overeating, your stubborn acne wasn't just from hormones, and your crushing fatigue had nothing to do with age? What if the real culprit was an invisible imbalance inside your gut, an imbalance quietly feeding on the very foods you eat every day? And if you've been dealing with frequent bloating, stomach burning, or nagging stomach pain, then this video might be exactly what you need to watch. You need to take your gut health seriously. The solution isn't another cream for your skin, another pill for your energy, or another quick-fix diet. It starts with taking back control of your gut. In this video, I'm going to uncover how small daily choices, like that healthy salad with no protein or those late-night snacks, could be fueling the wrong microbes. I'll show you what to eat instead, how to restore balance, and why your digestion, skin, mood, and even hidden infections all trace back to one place. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the most overlooked mistake that keeps people trapped in cycles of illness. Welcome back to Dr. KADE GP, your doctor for awareness. Let's begin. Question 1. Does a balanced diet really matter for all ages? Yes, it does. Balanced nutrition is not just for older people. It's the baseline fuel your body needs at every stage of life. Kids, adults, and seniors, everyone needs a steady supply of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. If you cut corners, your body shows the damage through low energy, poor skin, weak immunity. Yes, it does. Balanced nutrition is not just for older people. It's the baseline fuel your body needs at every stage of life. And digestive problems. Question 2. What are the common health signs that my diet is wrong? Look at your daily struggles. Low energy, acne breakouts, dull skin, constant bloating, fatigue that doesn't go away, frequent colds, brain fog, mood swings, depression, and even sleep issues. These are not isolated complaints. They are connected, and they all point back to one thing: your gut health. Question 3. How does a poor diet feed unhealthy gut microbes? When your meals are loaded with breads, pastas, sugary snacks, and drinks with little protein or fiber, you're creating the perfect buffet for harmful microbes. These microbes thrive on sugar and simple carbs, and they multiply quickly. Meanwhile, the good bacteria that protect your gut get starved. Over time, this imbalance damages digestion, weakens your immune defenses, and even influences your skin and mental health. Feeding harmful microbes doesn't just stop at bloating and indigestion. It can trigger gastric reflux, diarrhea, or slow bowel movements. And here's what most people don't realize: this imbalance can also lead to the overgrowth of fungi and yeast that naturally live in your body. When they get out of control, conditions like candida or tinea can appear, causing stubborn skin infections, itching, and irritation. So what begins in your gut doesn't stay there, it shows up on your skin, in your energy, and in your overall health. Question 4. How exactly can gut health change my life? Think of your gut as your control center. A healthy gut means better digestion, clear skin, strong energy, balanced mood, sharper focus, and fewer illnesses. But a weak gut can leave you trapped in cycles of bloating, fatigue, irritability, and constant sickness. Fixing your gut isn't just about digestion, it reshapes your entire quality of life. Question 5. What dietary changes should I make for better gut health? Start simple. Shift away from processed carbs and focus on whole foods. Add lean proteins like fish, eggs, beans, and chicken. Load your plate with vegetables and fiber-rich fruits. Include healthy fats from nuts, olive oil, and avocado. When you build meals with balance, your gut microbiome shifts from harmful to healing. Before we move further, if you're finding value in this and want more science-backed tips on restoring your health naturally, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Question 6. Do I need probiotics if I have bloating or poor digestion? Probiotics can help, but they are not magic pills. If you're dealing with poor digestion, bloating, or irregular bowel movements, probiotics may give your gut an extra boost of good bacteria. But remember, if your diet is still loaded with sugar and junk, probiotics won't survive long. Think of them as helpers, not the foundation. The foundation is your daily food. Question 7. Why does meal prep matter for gut health? Because last-minute food choices usually end in processed snacks, fast food, or sugary desserts. When you plan and prep meals ahead of time, you control what goes into your body. It's easier to stick to whole foods, balance protein, and avoid unhealthy shortcuts. Consistency, not perfection, is what repairs the gut. Question 8. What role does sleep play in gut health? Sleep is not just rest, It's when your body heals and your gut microbiome resets. Poor sleep disrupts hormones, raises stress levels, and weakens digestion. Studies show that people who sleep less than 6 hours a night often have more gut issues, higher inflammation, and mood problems. If you want better gut health, commit to quality sleep. Question 9. How are mood and gut health connected? Your gut and brain are linked by what scientists call the gut-brain axis. The same microbes that digest your food also release chemicals that influence your mood, like serotonin. When your gut is balanced, you feel calmer, more focused, and less anxious. But when unhealthy microbes dominate, you may feel depressed, stressed, or foggy-headed. Improving gut health is one of the most natural ways to improve mood and emotional stability. Question 10. How do I handle stress if it's ruining my gut health? Stress changes gut function. It slows digestion, triggers bloating, and disrupts healthy bacteria. But you can distract and redirect your stress through simple habits: deep breathing, short walks, light exercise, journaling, or even listening to calming music. Stress won't disappear, but your response to it can change, and that protects your gut. Before we move further, if these insights are helping you connect the dots about your own health, hit subscribe now, because every week I share practical, science-backed ways to restore your gut and overall well-being, and comment below if you have any question about gut health or any other health concern. Every comment is replied and health awareness is spread, as this is the only mission of this channel. Let's move forward with Question 11. What results will I see if I actually follow these tips? You will start feeling lighter, your bloating will reduce, your skin will clear up, your energy will stabilize, and your mood will feel more balanced. Sleep will improve, brain fog will lift, and you'll feel more like yourself again. This isn't about chasing weight loss or body toning; those happen naturally as side effects. The real win is escaping the cycle of chronic illnesses and regaining control of your health. Gut health is not a luxury or a trend. It's the foundation of your entire life. What you put in your mouth decides whether you thrive or struggle. Start with small changes today. Choose whole foods, sleep better, manage stress, and support your gut. And remember, if you've been struggling for too long, get yourself evaluated by your healthcare professional. And if you've been dealing with frequent bloating, stomach burning, or ongoing stomach pain, then this video might be exactly the place to start making a change.